Lookup tables are really cool because they allow you to set a load of actions all to a specific point. So you can say, in this position, I want this action and this action and this action to do this. And then in this configuration, I want this action to do this and this action to do this. You can see in the clock, we can manipulate where the two positions of the hands are. But you can also do something a bit more complex. Before we get started, I expect that you already know how to use actions in AutoCAD. If you don't, please review the previous videos. What we'll be covering is how to use lookup tables. It's recommended that you start from this reference file because it already has the actions in place. So now I can freely rotate these two hands. They both have a rotate action applied to them. If I open the block to edit it, you can see that they're there. I'm going to add a lookup. Once you've done that, you'll get this dialog. And it will ask you which actions you want to add. Now, there's only two in this block. I'm going to add both of them. And then I can set the different values. So I'm going to set these different angles. Remember that AutoCAD moves by default anti-clockwise. So on the rotation parameter, you need to think about where you want it to move relative to where it is. I also recommend the audit button, as it will tell you if any of the values are incorrect or missing. We're going to save the changes. And now I can pick any of these values freely. It's worth noting that because I left the grip points visible, I can still reposition the clock hands to any position that I want. So if you don't want that to happen, I highly recommend that you remove it as an option. A handy trick to remember is to set everything the way you want it to, click on the block, look at the properties panel, see what the values are, and then save that as the lookup value. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.